Apply Talik or Bifen insecticide by creating a continuous 4-foot treated band around the perimeter of your home to prevent and control infestations. Begin by reading the product label and calculating the correct dilution so you apply the labeled rate per square foot. Mix with clean water in a pump sprayer, agitating gently to keep the emulsion uniform, and use a nozzle that produces a coarse spray to limit drift and improve surface adhesion. Walk a steady pace and overlap passes slightly so the treated band is continuous from foundation to 4 feet out, paying special attention to cracks, weep holes, door thresholds, and utility penetrations where insects move. Treat foundations, adjacent mulch beds, under eaves, and the junction where hardscape meets soil, because these are preferred travel lines for ants, roaches, and other pests. Avoid applying before heavy rainfall or to saturated soil to prevent wash-off and reduce off target movement. Wait for at least 24 hours of dry weather when possible. After treatment, monitor weekly for visible pest activity and reapply according to the label interval or sooner if you see resurgence, focusing on the same continuous band and any new entry points. 3 common mistakes are treating unevenly and leaving gaps in the barrier, which lets pests bypass the treatment. So maintain overlap and check with a tape measure to keep the band consistent. Another frequent error is overwatering or allowing runoff, which reduces residual effectiveness, so use a coarse nozzle, moderate pressure, and apply slowly so the product soaks in without pooling. The third issue is neglecting seasonal rechecks and entry points, such as doors and utility lines. So inspect these areas monthly, seal obvious cracks where feasible, and retreat after significant landscaping changes or heavy storms. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and other members share practical pest control tips and contractor experiences. We help contractors find job leads and homeowners compare approaches, post questions, and read real-world feedback from neighbors.